Santos is not yet done.
Yeah.
6 triple from Jomar Santos, 26 points.
Impressive. Jomar Santos with 6 3-point makes.
Last 2 minutes brought to you by Sports Plus, the official sports book of the MPBL.
No, he's shooting at a high clip.
Panganiban. Natalbog palabas ng kanyang tira. Hindi na lang pinapasok dito si... lahat pinasok na. Si Panganiban na lang yung hindi pa nakakapuntos. I think there's that intention for them to let him score. Or si Caballero ba nakapuntos na ba? Parang hindi pa no?
Parang wala pa.
Panganiban working with J-Boy Go. Pulling up. No good. Joey Liu, the rebound and the putback. 112-74. Parañaque will drop to 0-5. Koga had a strong start to this game but fizzled out here. Knocks down the jumper though. Ganun ulit for the Patriots. Katulad nung laban nila sa Pasig, maganda yung simula. Dikit pa hanggang second quarter pero Rizal just switching into high gear. J-Boy Gom with his second triple. 57.5 seconds left. They have a timeout, but this one, pretty much a done deal. Zaldery Levin, Commissioner Emerita, Rudy Distrito. Walang palya sa attendance.
Always present.
Nag-cutting ka ba dati, Coach Mike?
Yun ang hindi ko ginawa.
Very good.
Promise.
Ha? Oo nga, naniniwala ako. Kahit nga dito sa MPBL, perfect attendance ka eh. Hindi ka nalilate sa laro.
Ayan. Perfect attendance.
Kung malilate ka man, kasalanan nung kasama mo. Oy, may sinabayan ka.
Oo.
Pag na-late sa all-time yun.
Hindi, tsaka ano. Siyempre, kailangan ko i-set up yung OB ban natin.
Tama.
Tama naman, di ba?
Kailangan mo i-set yung graphics.
Yes.
Yung sequence.
Correct.
Ayun na, nakapuntos na. Si Ryan Panganiban.
Well, finally. At saka ramdam mo talaga yung chemistry ngayon itong Rizal. Much as this is a blowout game, pero you feel that joy of togetherness for this version, this season of the Rizal Central Mall Golden Coolers.
And this will be the final score. It was close up until a certain part in the second quarter. And once Rizal switched into another gear, it was all she wrote. Unfortunately for Parañaque.
Consistency.
Final score.